Dreamy Days.
Hey friends! Today we are drawing a cute cat! So, let's get started! We will start with drawing a cat's face and ears. Its inner ears.
Now we will draw its eyes, nose, and mouth.
It's time to draw the cat's rest of the body. Now, our cat needs a cute collar with a heart-shaped bell. Let's draw our cat's fluffy tail. Draw the cat's whiskers. Now, we will complete our drawing by drawing some hearts around the cat. And our drawing is complete! Now, we will highlight our drawing. It's time to color our drawing. First, we will color its inner ears pink. Now, we will color the cat's collar red and heart bell pink. Now, we will color the cat's body light brown. It's time to color the hearts around the cat. Light green. Blue. Orange. Red. And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.